Today we are making lentil kofte, a yummy and filling vegan snack. You need 1 liter of water and directly add your 400 grams of lentils into it. About 170 grams Köftelik Bulgur, which will be added into this after boiling. Bulgur is a quick cooking form of whole wheat that has been cleaned, parboiled, dried, ground into particles and sifted into distinct sizes. This one is pretty thin and makes it easy to form our köfte. A bundle of parsley, olive oil, 2 or 3 onions, spicy peppers, green onions, and tomato paste. One important part are the spices. It is of course up to you, but I always have at least some pepper flakes and black pepper. And of course, don't forget your salt. Our first step is to boil the lentils until they're done. This can take, depending on your pot and lentils, 15 to 30 minutes. You might want to add a bit more water, again depending on your lentils and your cooking style. When they're done, add the bulgur into it, mix it and set it aside for at least 15 minutes. Now get yourself a pan and add a thin layer of olive oil. Chop your onions and get them to change color. Then add some of the pepper flakes and black pepper, and of course the salt, or any other spice you want. Then add about 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. I don't like tomato paste in most of my food, but here it is the better choice. Stir the whole mixture thoroughly and let it cook for a bit. Now you can get your lentil bulgur mixture and look if it is really soft. Then add your onion tomato paste mixture into it. As both of my mixtures were still really hot, I mixed them in the pot. But of course you can wait for it to cool down and then net it with your hands. Now you can add your small chopped parsley, spicy peppers and green onions into the mix. And start netting the whole mix until you can form small köfte. Of course you can make balls or any other shape you like. I prefer the longish form as it is easier to keep them in the lettuce. And there you have it, some yummy köfte to put onto your table for guests or for yourself. Put it into a piece of lettuce and enjoy. Especially in summer, this is a great and refreshing treat. All the information for this recipe is in the description below, along with different types of measurements and other information. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like and subscribe.